Hi, welcome back. For this episode, I'm going to be reviewing Fireworks Fantasy LLC, which I'm going to assume based off of the tab is in York, Pennsylvania. Now, see, here's a group right here. It's already looking at New Year's, so you can kind of tell these are actually pre-recorded from the time they post. But there's a lot of them to cover, and a lot of them to review, and so it just takes me some time. So, but we'll take a look at this particular um, online store. So and see what they have to offer as we start planning. So first off, their stores gonna be closed Monday through Wednesday. Call for an appointment. Store hours are Thursday through Saturday, 10 to 8. Sunday, 11 to 6. Okay, 2018 hours of operation. Glen Rock and Peach Bottom locations open May 4th through September 3rd, and December 15th through December 31st. So this is kind of cool. It gives you 2 weeks. So January through April. Yeah, opens May 4th. Okay. I like how they put that up here. Got a little bit of an information side here. Wholesale, you can contact Dennis for wholesale pricing. So let's take a look at the retail price list. Go back. Set your be good if they would go ahead and set the link to open in a new tab so you don't lose what you have. So 20-page document. This is kind of cool. You can actually go ahead and print this off and kind of lay them out on the floor or your workspace to kind of see if you want to compare prices. You know, a lot of sites are going this route because it's just easier to update a spreadsheet or a Word doc, convert it to PDF, and as opposed to updating line by line on the website. So we will go ahead and keep this open just to see as we're going through the website. You know, forums. How about some events? See if there's any events listed. Oh, this is kind of neat. You got a fireworks demo that already planned for next year. Oh, this is nice. Okay. Gates open at 6:30. Dust, food purchase, bring chairs, blankets, business of following the demo. Okay. They open for the season May 4th. So early demo gives you a couple months. I like that. Already planned for next year. Oh, hey, another demo, June 8th. Okay. You got some state laws. I like their website, though. It's kind of nice and clean, but the little animated background does have to draw your attention away from it. So let's go and view some of their products. Famous brands that they carry. Wow, a lot of brands, product categories. And they could probably save some space if they would go, instead of going vertical down the middle, kind of spread it out horizontal. Let's go down here and let's click on some reloadables and let's see what they have to offer. Say like this right over here. Okay, I like that. Okay. Oh, hey, you can do a price sort low to high. Products per page. Let's do all. They have 18 products, but hey. There we go. On the other prices. Nice. So I don't have to go to the retail price list. Kind of see some of the stuff is most of the same stuff you have in other. Okay, so see continuum. I haven't heard of Pyro Spirits before. This is from Jumbo Fireworks. Okay. And $80. 24 canister mortar kit with 4 tubes. Nice little tab for video. Okay, so let's take a look at Pyro Spirits. Trial version watermark. Okay, 36-second video, and I've only seen 3. You can do a little bit better job on the video. It's not going to really help in terms of me purchasing this product. $80 for this or $80 for Excalibur. I'm probably going to lean over towards the Excalibur. A little bit higher on price than some of the other websites I reviewed. If you haven't checked them out, please be sure to check them out and like and subscribe to our channel. That way you stay up to date on all these store reviews, and plus I'm going to be releasing some more product designs for you. So let's go over here to 200-gram display cakes. One of my favorite, these two right here, great for the 200-gram finale boards. Haven't checked out that video, be sure to do so. Yeah, so you got 3 of them, all at the $4 range. Again, when you're building a show, you want to kind of start off small, then have a upbeat middle, bring it back down, slow it back down, and then build up to your finale. So you kind of like a roller coaster. So that's why I like some of these little small $4 ones, because they're perfect to start off. Then you throw in a couple bigger ones and maybe a couple 500 grams. And then you bring it back down to a couple small, the medium, then bring it back down to smaller. You gotta start that process all over. And of course, missing some product. Italy, bada boom. Okay, we got quite a number of. There's quite a number of 200-gram cakes. So let's move up to 350. So see, 200, you got 200, 350, 500, 350, 200. Here's a couple I haven't seen, like 4th of July Blast, $31. Let's take a look at Pyro Planet. Okay. Okay, that's kind of neat. Neat little, a little bit higher outside my price range. I'd spend on a 350 gram. Okay, let's look at the 500. These are world class. Yikes! Chasing Booty. One Bad Mother-in-Law. It's one of my favorites. I'll tell you, it's One Bad Mother. Yeah, these are kind of high on the. They're about average for retail for 500-gram cakes. It looks like they do have them sorted, price low to high, which is kind of cool. I guess I have that little sort function up here on top. Yep, low to high. So that's good. So if I'm budget conscious, I know I'm looking at minimum $30. If I want to spend more, oh, container load, blue, 188. What's this? War Stopper. So it looks like you have 4 for $88 or $188. Yeah, it's about what? 45 bucks a piece, maybe $46 a piece, $47, $47. Yeah, $47. Okay. Okay, so let's move over to our Roman candles. You got, looks like your Roman candle, whistling. Balls of Fire, Secret Weapon. Not a lot on the Roman candles, but that's okay. Okay, let's move up to assortments. So prepackaged assortments. Mars Attack, Epic Adventure, Begin. Okay. What's this uncategorized? And there's nothing there. Okay. So if we look at their wholesale, so contest password protected. Okay, well. So here's Pennsylvania forms. Harm's Agreement order form. Okay. No wonder. Oh, all your links open in new tabs, like on forms and stuff like that. Okay, ship via. Sorry, they can accept personal checks. People still use personal checks. Wonder what they ship though. It'd be a little bit hard to have them shipped to you with your that limited on time. But overall, it's a nice clean site. I like the layout of it, with the exception, of you keep your categories except for when you go to your view products. You kind of keep the same thing. The animation over here in the back, okay, it's a little too much. But good overall layout. Some different products I haven't seen before, like their logo. And again, they're all, they're starting to promote, get ready for New Year's, so kind of build that interest. So you can join their mailing list. You have video tour, demo finale. Okay. But again, this is fireworksfantasy.net out of York, PA. And I thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. You can also like and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Instagram, where our mission is to help you light up the sky.